If you're experiencing login errors on Steam, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working. You can do this by trying to access other websites or services. If your connection is down, restart your router or contact your internet service provider. Step 2. Verify your account credentials. Before starting a recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Disable VPN or proxying. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes, these services can interfere with Steam's login process. After disabling, attempt to log in again. Step 4. Clear Steam cache. Clearing the Steam cache can resolve various issues. To do this, close Steam, navigate to the Steam installation folder, and delete the client registry blob file. Restart Steam, and it will recreate the file automatically. Step 5. Check Steam server status. Sometimes, login errors can occur due to issues on Steam's end. Visit the Steam status page or check community forums to see if there are any ongoing server problems. If there are, you may need to wait until the issues are resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most login errors on Steam. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.